All right, we're going to start this workshop by keeping things simple. We're going to make 5 bowls in a row, but I'm going to make several of each. And the first one is what we call a sauce cup or dipping cup. Something for melted butter or soy sauce, cocktail sauce. You'd be surprised how useful these things are in the kitchen. And they're tiny. So I'm going to start with, 6 ounces of clay, or 150 grams. Now there's a chart at the end of this segment that gives all these weights and measurements. So if you don't get them down now, don't worry about it. So the first thing we're going to do is get this little piece of clay centered. And because it's so small, it's almost impossible for me in my big hands to get it centered with 2 hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to center it with 1 hand. And I want to show you, this is a really useful skill to have. If you can center with 1 hand, when you add the 2nd hand, things go so much easier for slightly larger pieces of clay. So here we go. I want to show you where I'm touching things. So it's these 2 fingers here that are going to do most of the work, and a little bit of the top of my palm. I'm going to use the curvature of my thumb on top and bring everything towards me with my fingers and push down with my palm and my thumb. So there you see the touching, here and here. Now I'm also doing one thing that's pretty necessary, and that is attaching a little bit of pressure here with my left hand at my right wrist. So let's pull this in and push it down. Okay, now these are not going to have a trimmed out foot or a pedestal foot. They're just going to be skimmed at the edges when they're flipped over and leather hard. So I'm going to go down till I'm just about a little bit less than 1/4 of an inch in thickness down here.